like about 1 o'clock.
Is it really?
Yep.
Really?
You can go ahead.
Have my Western look. My cap.
Hide your bald headedness. It's my Western loader.
Is it?
Yep.
Hello, YouTube. It's been a while. I guess it's been about a month now. Maybe a little better than a month. We finally got the hinge rod in from Landpride. My Kubota dealer, Ewok Kubota in Floresville. Got it. It took better than a month. I would say about a month. Now we couldn't get the hinge rod. We couldn't get the tubing for the hinge rod, so we had to go around and try to find it. We couldn't find the exact one, so we ended up doing what's about 1 inch ID. So we've got, I'm gonna say, maybe 7/8. So we have a little slack there compared to the other side there. But it is what it is. I don't care, it's mine. And most of the shredding I do, well, bush hogging, whatever y'all called it. Down here we call it shredding. Most of that's my personal stuff. I do have a few customers I do, but I guarantee you, if they can see about a 1/4 inch gap, maybe, and I'm not sure if it's gonna be like that, they need to have their own equipment, so because nobody shreds it's not gonna be like a landscape. But anyway, so we got them put together. We got everything back so far. We got the rods in. We've had to cut some of the welds, and it's just a shit show there. So I had a problem with a plasma cutter. I had a problem with my Miller welder. So I hooked up my little Everlast. And the Everlast is part of the plasma cutter too. It's at 3-in-1. It's at 164 SI. It took a family deal. My wife, of course, David, and me. So we got it now. We've got it put back together. David's going to send y'all some little video that he got. And then I'll end up finish welding it out. Hopefully I do better welding than what I have done here the last few days. And that's about it. So please like and subscribe. I have gained a couple of subscribers, new subscribers. So I think we're at a big 36, 37. Come on now. But anyway, so like and subscribe, share, whatever. Like I said, this ain't the right way. It's my way. So if you got a better way, more power to you, partner. All right, tempo.
So this is it finished pretty much. We just put some Kubota orange on there just so it doesn't rust anymore. You can see that it's hanging low on this side, but we got to fix the stump jumper now. When we picked it up, we didn't realize that we bent that whole stump jumper, so we got to fix that now. But this is the hinge done. It has like an 1/8 inch slop in it, but we got this rod and we couldn't get the exact pipe, but this is it now. We got some pictures of it folded up. I'll put those in here, but this is it.